The Beauty Reset, 2025's guide to smart, sustainable, and self-loving skincare. As the beauty world steps deeper into 2025, one thing has become clear. The age of overconsumption, 12-step routines, and synthetic heavy formulations is behind us. Consumers across the globe are turning inward, embracing smarter choices, clearer routines, and products that align with their values. This is not just about looking good. It's about feeling in control, informed, and authentically yourself. The first shift that's capturing global attention is the rise of ingredient-first beauty. Instead of brand hype, audiences are now diving into the science of skincare. Reading ingredient lists like nutrition labels. Ingredients like niacinamide, panthenol, and ceramides have taken center stage, not for their buzz, but for their well-documented effects. This trend thrives on clarity. One serum with 3 powerhouse ingredients now trumps 5 bottles with confusing claims. The modern beauty consumer isn't just buying results, they're buying knowledge. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are seeing viral carousel posts that dissect product formulas, helping users make smarter choices. The look? Simplified bottles, bold ingredient labels, and clear skin, both literally and in communication. Closely linked to this is the beauty minimalism movement, which goes beyond just using fewer products. It's about intentionality. The minimalist beauty aesthetic reflects a deeper mental shift, less stress, more consistency, and reduced waste. People aren't just saving time, they're protecting their skin barriers and their bank accounts. This approach is especially popular with Gen Z and millennial audiences who are overwhelmed by choice fatigue and are gravitating toward curated essentials. Brands are catching on with capsule skincare collections. Think 1 cleanser, 1 serum, 1 moisturizer. Podcast audiences love this because it aligns with clear, actionable advice. Instead of selling complexity, content creators are focusing on educating their listeners about building their personal core 3. Visual content in this category often shows decluttered vanities, skin progress over time, and the calming ritual of skincare as self-care. Sustainability remains a non-negotiable force in the beauty industry in 2025, but this year has added a new twist. Circular beauty. This goes beyond recyclable packaging. Now, brands are introducing refillable pods, closed-loop ingredient sourcing, and even send-back programs for used containers. Skincare companies are collaborating with biotech labs to grow ingredients sustainably or repurpose food waste into potent active ingredients. For example, upcycled coffee grounds are being used in exfoliants, while fermented fruit extracts replace synthetic actives. Consumers are responding to authenticity and transparency, pushing brands to showcase their entire supply chains. Podcast stories around this are powerful. Following the life cycle of a product from farm to face makes for compelling narrative arcs. Visual storytelling supports this with side-by-side comparisons. Traditional beauty waste versus. Finally, we cannot talk about 2025 beauty without diving into AI personalized skincare, a booming niche that tailors product recommendations, routines, and even formulations based on an individual's skin type, environment, and goals. Apps and smart mirrors are now capable of scanning your skin and suggesting morning routines that change daily based on humidity levels or pollution. Personalized QR codes on bottles link users to dashboards that track progress, making beauty more interactive and data-driven than ever. For content creators, this is gold. It's tech-forward, shareable, and fits perfectly into the visual-heavy storytelling of podcast pastors. The look here is futuristic but accessible. Think UI dashboards, digital skincare profiles, and visualizations of progress over time. The beauty revolution of 2025 is not about painting over imperfections. It's about uncovering confidence through smart choices, minimalism, sustainability, and personalization.